Hello everyone, here's what the finished ears of the bear looks like. Now, let's crochet this section together using white yarn. For round 1, we need to work 4 single crochet around a magic ring, 4 stitches in total. Now, left palm facing you. Hold the yarn tail and loop the yarn once around your pinky. And loop the yarn around your index finger and middle finger as well, so that it makes an X in front of your fingers. Insert hook into this loop, pull the left yarn through. Rotate the hook to make a loop on hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to make one magic ring. Insert hook into the hole of the magic ring, yarn over and pull yarn through the hole. See 2 loops on hook, yarn over and pull yarn through these 2 loops. So, this is 1 single crochet. Mark the first stitch with the stitch marker. Repeat 3 more times to work 4 single crochet. The second single crochet. Three, 4. See 4 stitches. If you have more than 4 stitches, undo them until you count 4 stitches. Hold the yarn tail and pull tight to close up the ring. Finished round 1. Work 1 chain stitch and pull the yarn to leave a 6-inch long tail for sewing. Cut off the yarn and pull through the loop to pull tight. Now, we have finished 1 ear of bear. We need to crochet another ear in the same way. Finished the ears of the bear.